Hello everybody, so Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, I will be looking at some transformation multiple choice type questions, and let's head straight into the first question. So this one says, in each of the following diagrams, A prime is the image of A. Which of the following diagrams show a reflection in the x-axis? So they want a reflection in the x-axis. So let's see. I have A here, which is the object, and this is A. So this is definitely not showing the reflection over the x-axis. So let's look at this one here, B. So B, we have A and we have A prime. So we see this is showing a reflection over the, let me use another color. So this is showing a reflection over the y-axis, but we're talking about the x-axis. So let's look at C. So I have C, the object here, and the image here. This looks more like a rotation about the origin, probably 90 degrees. But we're not talking about rotation. And last but not least, let's look at here. So we have the object here, and we have the image here, and we can clearly see that this image is being reflected here. So the answer in this case is D. D is showing a reflection in the x-axis. So the next one says, under the translation 2, -3, the image of 3, -5 is. So we see we just need to add the object plus the translation vector, and that would give you the image of this here. So we can say 3, we can turn that into vector form, 3, -5, plus the translation vector, which is 2, -3. That would give me 3 plus 2, and also -5 plus -3. So these two, the negative and the positive, will turn into a negative. So 3 plus 2 would give me 5. -5 minus 3 would give me a -8. So the answer here is 5, -8. So I can turn that into coordinate form. So 5, -8. So the answer is simply C. So this one says, what transformation maps PQR onto P prime, Q prime, R prime? So let's go. So we have the object here and we have the image. So the answer is obvious, but let's still go through the option. So we know it's definitely not an enlargement, nothing got bigger or smaller. We know it's not a rotation. All the points are, they didn't rotate anywhere. We know it's not a translation because we see the image, it kind of flips. So when we're thinking about the flipping of an image, we see it's a reflection. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video, and I trust that this video brought some clarity on some concepts on the reflection. And I want you to keep practicing these multiple choice type questions. Keep practicing, practicing makes perfect. And I'll see you in the next video, in which I'll be tackling some more questions on the transformation and some additional topics. Until then, take care and keep practicing.